Kesha smoked glitter, yes, glitter with Snoop Dogg. Of all the things to smoke with Snoop Dogg, Kesha chose. During an appearance on the MTV Movie Awards in 2013, it looked like Kesha and Snoop were puffing on a joint. Almost immediately, rumors began to spread that the two performers were high on stage. Kesha later confirmed that they had been smoking something, but it wasn't pot. It was glitter. "We were just smoking my glitter," she said. Brandy lied to Oprah about being married. During a 2002 interview with Oprah Winfrey, Brandy claimed she had gotten married to producer Roger Smith and said she was pregnant with their child. But after the baby's birth, Brandy and Smith went their separate ways, and rumors started circulating that they had never even been married to begin with. Years later, Brandy confirmed that she had been lying about the marriage. At that time, being pregnant out of wedlock was not a trend, she explained. It was a sin. More Brandy, nor would whatever happened to Brandy. 187 of 602, the best female vocalists ever, 69 of 316, the greatest singers of the past 30 years. Baby Spice was a last-minute replacement. You mean Baby Spice? Emma Bunton wasn't an original Spice Girl. Say it ain't so, but it is. Bunton was only added to the Spice Girls lineup after Michelle Stephenson didn't work out. Stephenson left the group to spend time with her mother, who had been diagnosed with cancer. Of course, Ron Hunt had an industrial drill forced through his skull. But at the time I left the group, I knew I was doing the right thing, and I still think it was the right thing, Stephenson later said. It wasn't my kind of music, and they were not living the lifestyle I wanted. More Spice Girls behind-the-scenes drama that led to the Spice Girls breakup. 169 of 383. The greatest musical artists of the 1916 of 1891. The greatest musical artists of all time. Ryan Gosling was originally offered a spot in the Backstreet Boys. Prince was a Jehovah's Witnesses who knocked on people's doors. Nicki Minaj's father tried to kill her mother. Nicki Minaj's father tried to kill her mother. Katy Perry carries locks of Taylor Swift and Miley Cyrus hair. Katy Perry carries locks of Taylor Swift and Miley Cyrus hair. Kesha broke into Prince's house. Kesha broke into Prince's house.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.